Hello guys, I'm Paras, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today we see pretty much sideways market throughout the day. We had seen a big gap up, but like yesterday itself, in just a few seconds, market was back down, and there wasn't really any sort of a big gap up that was left. Just few seconds after the opening, right? Same thing with Nifty also. Nifty opening with a good enough gap up, but then we saw sell off in the first few seconds itself, right? So after that, no momentum at all throughout the day. And as I had said, we could see a sideways expiry in Fin Nifty also, and just see how much sideways Fin Nifty was, just between 21,380 to 21,310 for throughout the day, right? So anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Now if we see one thing in the daily charts, market looks like it is taking a good resistance from higher levels. That means buying at higher levels will not be a good option at this moment, right? Rather, we will let the markets come down and then we will take a buying position at lower levels, right? So tomorrow's plan will be very simple. If let's say we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 47,700, all these levels, 47,600 to 47,500, this area will be very important. If you see that market has gone below this low over here, where a lot of people stop losses will be kept, if you see that the market has gone below this low and the market went below this low, took everyone's stop loss, and then had started to come up again, then you can think about taking a bullish trade over here. Why am I saying this? Because that will be a bearish, basically a bear trap over here, which will be formed, and then the market can start to rally again from these levels, right? So again, I'm going to go and draw these levels for you over here. 47,600, basically around about 47,620 to 47,550 is the level. You can also take 47,600 to 47,500, but yes, this zone over here, if you see that market has come below this low over here and then again the market went above this low, right, and it has started to make price action, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here in this area, because then that will be one of the best risk to reward trades that you can get. And then you can also keep a target of 48,000 first of all, and then even higher levels of 48,200. Maybe you might not get these levels tomorrow itself, but yes, by the end of this week we can very well expect these levels to come if the market takes good support from here, right? So again, taking a bullish trade over here seems like a good bet. Even if our stop loss get hit or stop loss gets hit, it will be a small stop loss, not really a big stop loss, but yes, taking a bullish trade over here will be one of the best ideas. So if you open with a gap down and something like that happens, do consider taking a bullish trade over there. Where will we be bearish? As I said, below 46,800, right? Until then, even if you want to take a bearish trade, there is not really any sort of a setup before that. There was a setup, as I had said, if today we open with a very big gap up, we'll again see a sell off, right? But the sell off came in the first few seconds itself. You could not have been able to capture that sell off, so can't really do anything, right? So again, not really any sort of a bearish setup that can be formed over here. One thing that can happen in the market tomorrow is that if we open, let's say, with a gap up again tomorrow, somewhere near 48,200, 48,100, and if you're seeing that market is taking good support from 48,000 to 47,950 tomorrow, then you can think about taking a bullish trade again over here, because then the market most probably will take some support from this level and then start to move up again till 48,200, and then maybe market might become volatile over here or start to consolidate again over here. But I am expecting that there will be one move on the downside and then we will start to move up from there, right? But yes, if we again open with a gap and if we are seeing that market after filling this gap has started to take good support, then you can think about taking a bullish trade from here again with the target of 48,200 on the upside. If we open with a gap down, as I said, that is the only thing that we can do. Before that, I don't think there is any sort of a good bullish trade that we can take over here, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty also basically pretty much consolidating. So it looks like Nifty also will give us one pullback at lower levels and then it will start to move up, right? Most probably it will give us a pullback at lower levels to below 22,280, basically this level over here. Now Nifty, for Nifty, basically that gap is over here, which the level that I said for bank nifty, same thing for that nifty would be over here, right? But it is a little bit far away and that might not get reached for nifty. So yes, this area now becomes very important, 22,280. If market is taking good support from this area, then you can think about taking a bullish trade from here itself for higher levels, right? So if you see that market is taking good support from this area and it has started to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here. First target will be 22,360, which will act as a good resistance if we move up. But if we sustain over here, then nifty will continue to move till 22,520 also. Not tomorrow itself, but yes, if you let's say take a put short position, right, which you can hold overnight, then definitely you can expect a good momentum in maybe 2 or 3 days in nifty, and you can get good targets on the upside. So I hope that is very clear. So even if you open with a gap down, please do not panic. There is nothing to be worry. There is nothing to worry about over here, right? If let's say we go below this area and then we start to again come up above this area, that will also be sort of a trap. Not really like a trap in bank nifty where a lot of stop losses will be hit, but definitely people will also start shorting nifty. And then if we take a reversal, a lot of short sellers will also get trapped over here, right? So if we open with a gap up tomorrow, let's say somewhere near 22,430, 420 or 450 also, then we'll wait for a pullback till 22,370 to 380, right? In this area, or even 22,400, basically 400 to 370 in this 30-point range. Wherever you see that the market has started to make positive price action, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from there again till the target of 22,500 on the upside. Book a little bit before 22,500, somewhere near 22,490, but yes, that's about it. If you want to book a little bit early, 20,450 can be your first target for that, right? So yeah, and if you open flat, then we can get a good momentum below 20,350 in nifty till 20,300. So if you want to capture a small trade, small short trade over here below 20,350, let's say we open somewhere near 20,380, 390, all these levels, and then break down below 22,350, then also you can think about taking a short trade over here till 22,300, because then we will get these 50 points very easily, and from there then we can again start to move up. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.